You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words from Italian and more confusing vocabulary, including from Italian, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Inamorata is how it's said in Italian, meaning in love. This is the feminine version of the word, so that would only apply to female, girls or women. Inamorata is how you say it in Italian. Or in English, if you cannot pronounce the Italian R, you can say inamorata. And now, you know, more videos for you here to learn more interesting pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.